Hi, I'm Jamie from Neurable, and I'm going to unbox the MW75 Neuro headphones. They are noise-canceling headphones with brainwave sensors integrated into them. Just like fitness trackers measure your heart rate to improve your physical health, these headphones measure your brainwaves to help you with your mental health. They tell you when your brain needs a break, and you can use the insights to boost your productivity and reduce burnout. Let's get started unboxing. First thing I'm going to do is remove the sleeve, and I'll open the box. Inside the box, you'll see your headphone case. When you unzip the case, you'll see your beautiful MW75 Neuro headphones in olive, one of our 4 colorways. The first thing you'll notice are these silver bands. These are the brainwave sensors. They're conductive pads in the ear cushions, and the ear cushions come off. They're magnetic, so you can get a closer look. Underneath the ear cushion is a sensor that tells the device when your headphones are on or off your head. This means that when you take the headphones off, your music will pause, and when you put them back on, it will resume. The same is true with focus tracking. When you take the headphones off, it'll pause your focus session. You'll also notice the beautiful materials: leather, aluminum, and glass on the ear cups. There's some stickers that are there to protect the glass during shipping. You can take those off. On the right side, there's a sticker that has instructions about the Neuro touchpad. This allows you to tap to control features of your MW75 Neuro headphones. On the side of the headphones, you'll see it says powered by Neurable AI. That's how you know Neurable's amazing technology is inside. Underneath the headphone case is a packet with the quick start guide inside. This includes all the information you need to get started, how to download the app, and start using your MW75 Neuro headphones. There are some other things inside the case also. These are some accessories that'll help you. This is your charging cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. And if you don't have a USB-C for charging, it also includes an adapter to connect USB-C to USB-A. There's also another cable in here. This one has a USB-C plug to an audio jack. This is so you can plug your headphones in and listen on an airplane to the in-flight entertainment system. Simply plug this end into the headphones and this end into whatever you want to listen to. And there's a couple other adapters in here. You might need this one for an airplane, depending upon which airplane you're on. And this plug will help you plug into some other types of audio equipment. That's it. Thanks for joining me for the unboxing of the MW75 Neuro headphones.